Whoa, damn. Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. It's been a couple of weeks since we've made a video. As you can see, a lot's happened. We've converted the carport into a garage. So let's do a quick little walk around and show you guys what's new around here. As you can see, nothing too crazy. We've just closed off this side and added a door. So we've been busy the past couple of weeks just reorganizing this space. We got a bunch of tires there, moved out our tool chest here, and moved all of our supplies out here because previously we had all of our crap stored inside here. But yeah, that's a quick little update as to why some of the videos haven't been up these past couple of weeks, because this has been happening in the background. But in today's video, it's gonna be pretty quick and simple. Today, we're going to be polishing this headlight here because it's slightly oxidized. It's not too bad, you know, it's still clear, but you can definitely tell in the daytime that this has some slight oxidation to it. When you compare it to this one over here, this one is a better one. Not as bad, but we're still gonna give it a polish and ceramic coat after. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in today's video and get prepared polishing these headlights. Okay, so first things first, what you're gonna wanna do is put some masking tape around the headlights so that any sanding or compounding that you're gonna do won't transfer onto the paint itself. So you have that layer of protection. So we're gonna go ahead and mask off this headlight. We're gonna wanna put it kind of inside the body line like that and still keep some of that lens here exposed. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of the headlight here. We'll go ahead and put you guys here so you guys can see what I do. All right, we've got this side masked off, and before we jump into polishing this, I just want to quickly go over why someone may want to polish their headlights. It's really just a quick and easy way to make your car look nice, you know? You don't want it to get too oxidized and start to look like those old 2000s cars on the road that just look neglected, you know? You want to keep it nice and fresh, and this is a quick and easy way to really maintain your car's look and keep it looking nice. So we've got this side taped off. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well, and then we'll jump into what we're gonna do to polish this up. Okay, so because these headlights aren't too badly oxidized, we're just gonna be using our drill with a wool pad attachment and some Meguiar's 105 compound. I used this recently on the silver S2000s headlights with a microfiber pad, and it worked amazing. So I figured we'll go ahead and try it on this since it's not too badly oxidized. Now, if you have headlights that are much more oxidized and yellow than this, you will probably need to wet sand it with 1000, 2000, and 3000 grit sandpaper and some sort of clear coat to go over the headlights to protect it. But because this one is just a light oxidation, we're just gonna go ahead and touch this up with some compound and a drill bit. So let's go ahead and get started on doing that. All right, so we'll go ahead and apply our compound onto our pad here. Not too much, but enough to really get it on there, and then gotta dab it into the headlights like that and start polishing away. The battery just died, but that's okay. We have another here. Okay. Once we've got that polished, we'll let that kind of set in for a little bit. And once it starts to haze, we'll go ahead and take our microfiber and wipe it off. So give this a minute or two and let it kind of haze a little bit. And then we'll wipe it off and see how it looks after that. This may take 1 or 2 passes with the compound to really get this completely clear, but yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing to make these headlights less oxidized. All right, so after wiping this off, personally, I think immediately it's already starting to look a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and go back with a second pass of the 105 compound and see from there how the entire headlight turns out. Alright guys, well there you have it. We finished the driver's headlight here. This one wasn't too bad, so this one really cleaned up nicely. This one's really clear. And then if we come over to the passenger side, that's a little better than before. There's some spots where I think is on the inside that has some issues, but this is definitely a lot better than before. Before it was a little bit more yellow to it, and you can definitely see from the pad that some of the yellow came off on headlights. So yeah, that's step one in this restoration process. We've gone ahead and polished the headlights. Step two is we're gonna put a coating on there to protect it. And the coating that we're going to use is this 303 graphene nano spray. We recently put this on the silver car, and you know what, it's looked pretty good. So we're gonna try it on this car and see how it turns out and see if it will protect the headlights for a long time to come. So I'll definitely let you guys know in an update if the headlights ever fade because this doesn't do its job. So let's go ahead and get our microfiber applicator, spray some 303 on it, and get it on the headlights. All right, so applying this graphene 303 spray is pretty easy. You're gonna get your microfiber applicator. What we have here is a Meguiar's microfiber applicator pad. You're gonna go ahead and spray this on there pretty generously. And then you're just gonna go across the headlight like you would wax. Just go back and forth, left to right first, and then up and down. Make sure the entire headlight is covered. And let that sit there for about a minute or two until it kind of hazes up a little bit like normal wax would, and then wipe it off. So while this side dries, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the passenger side. All right, so we are starting to see that it's starting to haze up a little bit, so we can go ahead with our clean microfiber towel and just buff it off. Pretty simple, just like that. And we're gonna do the same thing for the passenger side, of course. All right, so this is gonna close out today's video. Before we wrap this video up, I really wanna thank you guys for 900 subscribers. We just passed it, and honestly, it's very surreal to me to think that 900 of you guys care enough about these videos to subscribe and watch them. So sincerely, thank you guys so much. We are almost at 1,000. So please hit that subscribe button if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed already. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up these headlights right here. They look a ton better already in my opinion. And in the next video, we're gonna put some Laminax film on it. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. And as always, if you guys aren't following my Instagram at QMedia, follow my Instagram for some behind the scenes content on stuff that I may not make a video about, like when I detailed the silver S2000, because I already detailed this. We already got a video for that. But we'll make a video about cleaning the interior of the silver one because that one needs some work. But yeah, it's gonna wrap up today's video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, subscribing to the channel and everything. It really means a lot to me. Please get us to 1,000 subscribers soon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So peace out and take care.